Hello, do you know how to round a number to the nearest 10? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So, say if we had the number 26, and I wanted to round that to the nearest 10. Do you know what the answer would be? Well done, it would be 30, okay? So, what you're doing is, and all you need to know really, is if a number is 5 or above, in the ones or single value, you just round it to the nearest 10. So, if I had 47, it's above 5, isn't it? So you just round it to the nearest 10. So you just go to 50, like that, okay? But what happened if you had a smaller number like this? Okay, let's go for 32. See now, is this number, the ones, is this number below 5? Yes, exactly. So because it's below 5, it means you round it back. So you just round it back to 30, just like that, okay? So, use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye!